This is my Shein unboxing. Let's get into this unboxing because, as you can tell, my first video was a haul including Shein, but now this is just Shein. I'm not going to try the items on. You can definitely check out my Instagram, ambiguously_Britt, BRITT. I'm not going to spell out ambiguously, like it's in the link below. I mean, it's in the box below because it's just long and I've been getting confused. Okay, so let's get into it, like for real. So this is a coat that I got, and I don't know if it has, I will be linking like the description or the name of the item in the description box below. Because I don't have the list in front of me. So this is like a long, it's not houndstooth. I don't know what pattern this is, but it's a long like coat. It's almost like a wool texture, but it's not like that itchy wool. It has buttons. The pockets on the side, they are functional, they work. Get into this box. Listen, I'm hyped. I'm excited. Like I got some cute stuff. Like I got some shirts, some leggings, few cell phone cases, jewelry, and I got a purse. So let's check this out. I'm excited. She wasn't trying to have it. Listen.
I got Who told me that's just lazy? That's just. Let me take a sip for that one.
That was lazy. Oh look, so it's the two cell phone cases that I ordered. Marble kind of print, and it's like a nude color. I love like nudes and neutrals, so it's like a nude color, and then it comes with like little specks of glitter. So that's it, and then like the front is clear. I don't like the covers that like snap onto the phone. I like the ones that cover all of the edges, so I'm very specific when I look for them. I will link down when I put this in the description box. I will make sure to put the prices for all the items. This was legit like $2 or $3. Like I'm falling in love with Shein like every single day. Like, and then I just got a plain clear one. Let's see if I can get this open. So yeah, it's like literally it's just like plain clear fit. So this, doesn't it give you like Versace vibes? Like for real. Like this is just beautiful. So it's a long sleeve blouse. Let's see, it doesn't have the Shein, but it says 2X on it. So I got 2X because I want it to be oversized. I read the reviews. I read the reviews for almost all the clothing items I buy, and I was nervous that it wouldn't fit just because it's like a silky material that does not stretch. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go up. I would usually get like a 1X. But in this, I got a 2X. And it comes with this to tie around so you can like cinch your waist in or whatever. Oh, I like this. So this comes in like a Ziploc bag. Listen, I'm all about reusing, recycling. You could say that's ghetto if you want. But listen, it says me, my coins. I will be reusing this bag. I'm so used to like just ripping them open because it's like I can't do anything with it. All right. So this blouse, I fell in love with it from the very beginning when I first seen it on Shein. Listen, are y'all ready? So, don't ask me what this design is, but it pops. It's lit. It's dope. Again, I got this because I wanted it to be oversized, like a tunic. That's just kind of like my style. I like longer items that are kind of just, I don't know how to explain it. I'll go on. That's for another day. But this is, again, like a silkier material. It's not like that. When you think of like a men's white shirt, it's not that crisp material. It's kind of silky and soft. This bag, like these bags are giving me life. Like I'm about to order from Shein just for the bag. But you never know what like items are going to come in certain bags. Because the last ones, I didn't get any bags like this. All right, so these are like glitter leggings that I bought. Like sparkly glitter leggings. And they're cute. This has a thicker like waistband at the top. I got these in 0X, and these actually have a Shein label on them. And yeah, I think these will fit. I was really not sure what size to get them, but I didn't want them to be too big because I don't know, sometimes leggings, when they're not like regular leggings, just fit weird. But they're high-waisted, which is what I need, and they're sparkly and black, so yes. All right, so again, I got another pair of sparkly leggings. They're high-waisted. These, they don't have, the band isn't as thick as the black ones, but I still like it. Again, it has a Shein label. They're 0X. And yes, I am loving them. They're cute. I like it. I'm excited. All right. I got to figure out what shirt. Oh, the outside is a little scratchy, but the inside is like nice and soft. So we'll see how that turns out. All right, so I got really excited. I felt like a child. I felt like the little Cardi B, like, or what's her name? Ah, the one chick from Instagram. She's funny as hell, but she does that too. All right, what I really wanted was this dress. It's, I think it was called a t-shirt. I don't remember the name of it. It's a little stiffer than I expected it to be. Oh, all right, so hold on. I'm gonna go back to that one because I know what it is. So this, I think it's just a regular pair of leggings. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right, so these are a regular pair of leggings. I thought they were gonna be cotton, but they're like, I don't know, they're like a silky, shiny. I almost thought they were faux leather ones, and I was like, wait, I took those out my cart. They're, these don't stretch as much as the other ones up top, the band. Oh, I don't know. Well, I'll try them on and see, but I'm pretty sure they'll fit. But again, they're a 0X, and they stretch. But yeah, they're not cotton at all. I don't know what material they are. I don't think I looked at the material, to be honest. All right, so y'all ready for the sexy? I ordered me, how do you open this? I ordered me a little lingerie set, girl. Okay. Not really lingerie, it's just like a really cute, sexy, like lounge in the house with your boo or by yourself or whatever. This came, I got it in a 1X. It was these little shorty shorts. Aren't they cute? Little booty shorts with the lace. I think they're so cute. And it's a set. It was like $5. It was cheap. Well, maybe you do want to lay up with your boo because this bralette don't got no kind of lining, okay? It's just gonna be you and a bralette. So yes, save that for your little special. Okay, that's it. I ain't gonna say too much about it. Y'all know what to do. Y'all grown. All right, on to the accessories. That's enough for the clothes. So I'm done with the clothes for now. All right, this, I was waiting for this bag.
This bag matches perfect with that coat, and I'm just so upset that it doesn't fit right now. So I have to wait to, I'm probably gonna have to wait to wear the bag because I really wanted to match it with the coat. And it's just too much. It's too much. All right.
I don't like that, but whatever. Isn't it cute? Oh, it's so cute. All right, so let's see. So it has a little button to open the flap. It is a crossbody bag. I'm obsessed with crossbody bags. Like, that's really like all I buy. They're comfortable. They're easy. So it has a zipper on the inside, and the strap came inside of the bag. So it has the hooks, and it's cute. I love the green, the tan. It's just nudes and neutrals, and this is what I go for most of the time. So that's really cute. All right, now onto some jewelry. Sis, let's get into these earrings. If these don't say like New Year's Eve outfit, earrings, glam, I don't know what does, because these I fell in love with. Oh, and my last item is I got bracelets. They're not full bracelets. They're like the ones that you kind of just like pop on. So
I'm coming to my last item. I'm so sad. I'm kind of like enjoying talking to a phone, which I didn't think I would, or camera, whatever, but the camera on my phone. So, all right. So I talked about this, and like my friends like raved about it. Like yo, this is funny. So,
all right. So in my last video, if you watched my last video, if you haven't, what are you doing? Go check it out. So in my last video, I got a pair of sneakers from Boohoo, and I have been obsessed with them. I've been wearing them all the time. I love them. And they reminded me of Yeezys. Like, they're similar to Yeezys. So again, these, all right, so they came in this box. First of all, again, they don't have a name. It has like a sticker that doesn't say anything. It just has numbers and a barcode like the other items. So these came, oh no, not they came. They look like Yeezys, and they're similar to the ones I got before, but they're different. They have gray on them. Again, I have Boohoo money, but this time it's Shein money. I have Shein money, not Yeezy money, baby. Okay? So these are dope. Like, I am loving these. These were like like $25, something like that. I have Shein money, baby. So, all right, guys. That's it for my unboxing. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, your family, whoever you know or think that might be interested in my videos. I have a lot more in store coming to you guys. 2020, like, we're gonna do big things. Like, I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I'm finally doing it. I finally kind of like geared up the courage to do it, so I'm super excited. Any ideas or anything you want to see from me, please let me know in the comments below. Check out my Instagram, that's listed down below as well. You can, send me messages on there, reply to my stories, interact with me. Let me know what you would like to see from me, because I want to provide content that I'm interested in, but also that other people are going to be interested in as well. So yes, that's it.